Hello, dear hungry friends. In this chilly weather, a warming stew is just the thing you need. This one's just like the way my grandma used to make it, and then my mom too. These ingredients have been around since back then. We need some sauerkraut for this. We need a leek, some potatoes, and a big onion. We'll need some ham, either in a chunk or already diced. Plus, some smoked sausages, like I've got Krakow here. But you can also use bockwurst or cabanossi, and we'll need some fresh parsley. We'll also need pepper and salt, vegetable broth, mustard, and bay leaves. As usual, we start by preparing a few things. To begin our dish, peel and dice the potatoes. Now, let's wash the leek, then carefully slice into thin rings. Peel and finely chop the onion, and if you're using a delicious whole piece of ham just like me, go ahead and dice it up finely. With great care, slice the sausages into thick, hearty rounds for your delightful stew. Now, let's start cooking. Heat some oil in a large pot and add the diced ham. Let it brown for just a bit, giving it time to meld those delicious flavors, and after that, you can add your beautifully chopped onion. Cook until the onion turns translucent, stirring occasionally. Then add the leek rings. Mix everything together and let it sauté briefly. Now, let's add the sauerkraut to the pot. Give it all a stir, and now let's add the potato pieces. Mix everything together, then pour in the broth. For this amount, I'm using 1.5 liters. Stir everything thoroughly. Adjust the heat to let it simmer. Cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. After that, remove the lid and start seasoning. Add salt, a generous amount of pepper. You'll want to add the mustard, about 2 tablespoons, and then give everything a good stir before tossing in those bay leaves. And now we add the sliced sausages to the pot as well. Stir it all together and let it heat for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, quickly chop some parsley. Then dish it up and serve. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley on top, and you can also add a dollop of sour cream if you like. Warming and delicious, and as you could see, it's really simple to prepare. I hope you have lots of fun making it and enjoy your meal. See you next time. Bye-bye.